Hi, beautiful ladies. How are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are fine, good, and enjoying the good conditions of your health, doing very well. So, dear ladies, today in this video, I'm going to share with you most demanding and trending ideas for your summer season skirt design ideas. So, in this video, you will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas of skirt styles for your summer seasons. You will be find out different colors, different styles, different designs, different fabric, and amazing stitching ideas of skirts, dresses. You will be find out chiffon fabric, skirt designs, cotton fabric designs, high-waisted designs, A-line style designs, net fabric skirt designs. Different and amazing ideas and amazing designs for your summer seasons, for your different styles. I love all these designs of skirts and I hope so that you will love these too. You will be find out long skirts, midi dress. You will be find out suitable top designs and shirt designs for your skirts, suitable accessories for your skirts outfit. So must watch video till the end and don't skip any idea, don't skip any designs. Very beautiful and amazing collection of skirts coming up next in this video. I love all these designs of skirts outfit and I hope so that you will love these too. Most demanding and trending ideas of skirts outfit today I have collected for you in this video. So if you love to wear skirts, if you love to wear different types of skirts outfit, different styles and different designs, so this video is really going to be helpful for you, very useful for you, dear ladies and girls. You will carry these styles of skirts for your casual wear, for your daily work wears, even for your party wears. Very beautiful collection, very beautiful designs, beautiful ideas of skirts outfit. I hope so you will enjoy this video and you will love these styles of skirt. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of skirts, so please dear ladies and girls, do like my video and share my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that new people get new ideas and new designs. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video. How was these designs of summer season's floral skirt dresses, skirts outfit for ladies and girls? And which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel? Or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you? Tell me in the comment section. I really tried my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must share your opinions in the comment section. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection of dresses. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel. So on my channel you will be find out maxi dresses, floral dresses, midi dresses, casual wear, formal wear dress design ideas for ladies and girls, top designs, blouse designs, shirt designs, crochet made dresses, crochet made outfit ideas for ladies and girls, shoes collections, bags collections. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel on daily basis. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection of dresses. I hope so you will enjoy those videos and you will love those videos. And I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video, and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, and for more designs. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves. Goodbye. Watch video till the end. Enjoy the video and please do like my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. Goodbye dear ladies and girls.